Hey everyone, Kansas Lone Man here. Today we're going to talk about AI because tech is changing the game in real estate and AI is leading the charge. Right now, one third of realtors say that AI tools have already made a positive impact on their business. We're seeing smart automations everywhere from writing listing descriptions, handling client chats, even analyzing the market in ways that save agents hours and give buyers and sellers more insight. But here's what headlines don't always tell you. AI isn't here to replace real estate agents at all. It's here to empower them. Industry experts agree AI should complement, not compete with, the personal touch and the expertise that a great agent brings to the table. And that's exactly what's happening. In 2025, nearly 90% of home buyers and sellers used a real estate agent or the broker. That's the highest level of trust we've ever seen. Why? Because buying and selling a home is more complex than ever. Between legal rules, financing options, local regulations, people want guidance. They want someone who knows how to price a home correctly, negotiate the best deal, and walk them through every step of the process. And that's where agents shine their best and why client satisfaction remains sky high. Most buyers say they'd absolutely work with their agent again or refer them to friends and family. But that's one group that's having a tougher time than ever: first-time home buyers. They now make up just 21% of the market, the lowest share on record. And their median age has jumped to 40. That's nearly a decade older than the previous generations. What's driving that shift? Raising prices, limited inventory, bigger down payment requirements. Simply put, affordability is locking a lot of younger buyers out of the market right now. And here's the bottom line. AI is helping agents move faster, work smarter, serve clients better. But when it comes to one of the life's biggest decisions, buying a home or selling a home, people still want people to work with. And that's not going to change anytime soon. Thanks for listening. Kansas Lone Man back with another Mortgage Minute, another day.